English. Emotional words. Jealous. There are two meanings of jealous. 1. You can be jealous when you wish you had something someone else does. You can be jealous of their achievements or position or things they have. Number 2, you can be jealous when someone you like, a friend or a spouse, shows interest in someone other than you. The 3 common verb tenses in English are past, present, and future. This is how jealous would be used. For the first meaning, past. The silver medal winner was jealous of the gold medal winner. Present. He is jealous of tall men who get all the pretty girls. Future. The child will be jealous when the new baby gets all the attention. Here is how jealous can be used in the second meaning. Past. She never let her husband even talk to women. She was so jealous. Present. I can't have lunch with you because Mary is jealous of our friendship. Future. If the clerk chats with her, her husband will be jealous. Did you notice that in the past we used the word was? In the present, we use the word is. And in the future, we use the words will be. The verb tenses for past, present, and future. Was, is, will be. Which meaning does this conversation show?
Did you see Tom driving all over in his new car? What a show-off.
I think he is just excited to not have that old rusted-out one. He worked hard to save the money for it.
He beeps his horn and waves like he is king of the road.
I am happy for him. You sound like you are jealous. That was an example of the first meaning, wanting something someone else has. Here's an example of the second meaning in a conversation. Every time he goes to the gym, women ask my husband for help.
That's probably because he's in really good shape and knows what he's doing.
I think it's because he smiles at every pretty woman he sees.
Don't you trust him?
I'm not sure.
You sound jealous.
Try to make the word jealous part of your vocabulary.